Today is June 7th, 2025. Imagine a world of incredible extremes, where fire and ice exist side by side. This isn't a fantasy. This is Mercury, the smallest, closest planet to our Sun. Mercury is a planet of stark contrasts, scorching heat and surprising ice. Its nearness to the Sun and slow rotation create wild conditions. One side bakes while the other freezes, a cosmic dance of fire and ice. Mercury zips around the Sun faster than any other planet, yet turns on its axis very slowly. This creates a bizarre rhythm of day and night, leading to wild temperature swings. It's a place that challenges our ideas of what a planet can endure. Mercury doesn't have the glamour of Mars or the storms of Jupiter, but it has its own unique story, a story of survival in an extreme environment, a world named for the swift Roman messenger, living up to its name. Its surface is a testament to cosmic diversity. This little planet is full of surprises. What secrets can exist so close to a star? Join me as we explore this fiery, icy marvel. Mercury's story is one of resilience. There is so much to discover. Let's travel back billions of years to the birth of our solar system. Mercury formed in the hottest part of the solar nebula, close to the young sun. Only metals and rocky silicates could survive here. Lighter gases were blown away. Mercury became a dense, metallic world with a core surprisingly large for its size. Early on, the solar system was chaotic. Planetesimals collided, growing larger with each impact. Mercury likely suffered giant impacts, stripping away much of its crust and leaving a metal-rich core. Its composition tells a tale of survival against the odds. Unlike Venus or Jupiter, Mercury remained small, dense, and sun-baked, a rocky sentinel guarding the inner solar system. Its birth story is written in its very core, a core that still holds mysteries. Shaped by fire and cosmic collisions, Mercury is a child of the Sun. Its dense, iron-rich heart is a clue to its violent origins. Mercury's survival is a testament to the power of cosmic forces. It didn't gather a thick atmosphere or grow huge. Instead, it became a tough little survivor. Its story begins in violence and heat. Mercury's unique makeup sets it apart from every other planet. Its origins are key to understanding the solar system, a world forged in the sun's glare. Now let's talk about heat. Unimaginable heat. Mercury receives sunlight 7 times stronger than Earth. During its long daytime, surface temperatures soar to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 430 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. The sun appears huge and blinding in Mercury's sky. With no real atmosphere, the surface is exposed to direct solar radiation. The side facing the sun becomes a true inferno. No oceans or rivers, just a dry, barren landscape baked for eons. The rocks crack and bake under relentless sunlight. This constant solar onslaught alters the very minerals on Mercury's surface. Mercury's sunlit side is like a blacksmith's anvil, glowing, hammered by solar energy. The sun's radiation shapes and bakes the planet's face. Scientists study Mercury to understand how materials behave under such extremes. Its daytime is a natural laboratory for extreme physics. The lack of atmosphere means no protection, no moderation, just raw solar power. Mercury's surface endures the sun's fury every single day. This extreme environment fascinates scientists. What secrets can this sun-scorched land reveal? Mercury's daytime is a place of cosmic fire and intense energy, a world shaped by the sun's relentless heat. But Mercury's story has another side, biting cold. When night falls, temperatures plummet to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 180 degrees Celsius. From a scorching oven to a deep freezer, this is Mercury's dual nature. With almost no atmosphere, heat escapes quickly into space. The rocks, baked by day, cool rapidly at night. This cycle of extreme heating and cooling causes rocks to expand, contract and crack. Over billions of years, this thermal stress shapes the landscape. Surprisingly, scientists have found evidence of ice on Mercury. Yes, ice, hidden in permanently shadowed craters near the poles. These crater floors never see sunlight and remain cold enough for water ice to exist. The ice was likely delivered by comets or asteroids. Even in the sun's glare, shadows hold secrets. Mercury's nights are a chilling reminder of what an atmosphere does for a planet. The planet's extremes are a powerful force shaping its surface in unexpected ways. Mercury's icy heart is one of its greatest surprises, a world of fire by day and ice by night. Let's talk about air, or the lack of it. Mercury has no real atmosphere, only a thin exosphere, a ghostly veil of atoms blasted off the surface by solar wind and micrometeoroids. This exosphere is billions of times less dense than Earth's atmosphere. Imagine trying to breathe on Mercury. You couldn't. The pressure is almost a perfect vacuum. This lack of air causes wild temperature swings and a black sky, even during the day. The exosphere is made of elements like oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, and helium, but these atoms don't stay long. They're constantly replenished and swept away by solar wind or lost to space. No substantial atmosphere means no weather, no wind, no rain, no clouds. Mercury's surface is a pristine record of impacts and solar activity. Its lack of air preserves its ancient history, a silent, unchanging face turned to the cosmos. The weather on Mercury is radiation and constant bombardment by tiny space rocks. The exosphere is dynamic, always changing but never enough to shield the planet. Mercury's ghostly atmosphere is a key to its mysteries, a world exposed to the raw power of space. Now, let's think about gravity. Mercury is the smallest major planet, with gravity just 38% of Earth's. If you stood on Mercury, you'd feel much lighter, able to jump higher, and objects would fall more slowly. This low gravity means Mercury couldn't hold on to a thick atmosphere. Gases escape easily. It also affects how mountains form and how the surface evolves. Despite its small size, Mercury is surprisingly dense, second only to Earth. Its huge iron core makes up most of its interior. This paradox, low gravity, high density, sets Mercury apart. The planet's gentle pull is part of its unique identity. Mercury's gravity shapes its surface and its fate. A small world with a heavy heart. Time flows differently on Mercury. A year on Mercury, one orbit around the Sun, lasts just 88 Earth days. Mercury moves at 105,000 miles per hour, living up to its swift namesake. From Earth it darts quickly across the sky, always close to the Sun. But a day on Mercury, one full rotation takes 59 Earth days. Even stranger, a solar day, sunrise to sunrise, lasts 176 Earth days. This is due to Mercury's unique spin-orbit resonance, 3 rotations for every 2 orbits. So one day on Mercury is longer than 2 of its years. Imagine a sunrise that takes months to complete. Mercury's time is a cosmic puzzle, alien and fascinating. Its rhythm is unlike any other planet. The planet's strange dance with the Sun shapes its environment. Time on Mercury is truly out of this world. Mercury's surface is a record of cosmic violence, craters everywhere. With no atmosphere and little geological activity, these scars remain for billions of years. The Caloris Basin is one of the largest impact features in the solar system. Massive collisions shaped Mercury's face, creating weird terrain and vast plains of ancient lava. Long, steep cliffs, scarps, stretch for hundreds of miles, formed as Mercury's core cooled and shrank. The planet literally shrank as it aged, wrinkling like a drying apple. Mercury's orbit is highly elliptical, varying its distance from the Sun. This odd orbit puzzled astronomers until Einstein's theory of relativity explained it. The Sun's gravity warps space-time, and Mercury feels this effect most strongly. Its battered face and curious dance confirm grand cosmic theories. Mercury is a tiny planet with a big story. Its surface is a window into the solar system's past, a world shaped by impacts and cosmic forces. Mercury, a world of fire and ice, extremes and surprises. It may seem quiet, but it holds secrets about planet formation, the early solar system, and the laws of physics. Why explore Mercury? Because it's a key piece of the cosmic puzzle. Its unique conditions test our theories about planetary science and geology. Missions like Messenger and Bepi Colombo have revealed Mercury's magnetic field, icy poles, and shrinking crust. But there's still much more to learn. Future missions may land on its surface, braving the extremes to unlock new mysteries. Mercury reminds us that our solar system is full of diverse worlds, each with its own story. Its chapter is one of resilience, survival against the odds, a quiet, mysterious world, orbiting close to its star. Mercury beckons us to keep exploring, keep questioning. The universe is full of wonders, and Mercury is one of them. Its next surprise is waiting to be discovered.